welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. This is actually the first video I am recording in the new year 2022. So yeah, I took off about a month and a half and just relaxed and stuff like that. Yeah, so I am back and I'm happy to be back. Shout out to anybody who is new, who is stopping by my channel. I do a little bit of everything over here, mainly hair reviews and wig reviews and stuff like that. I've been doing more makeup on my channel, and I'm going to be doing a lot more clothing hauls this year and some home decor content. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and turning on your notifications. If you are a part of Premier Squad, thank you so much for returning and rocking with me in the new year. If you would like to be a part of Premier Squad, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications, and you will be notified by YouTube when I do uploads and stuff like that. I'm still kind of figuring out if I want to do a upload schedule, because I did that for 2021 for the first time and I fell on top of it, but I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm going to do that this year. If you are curious about my wig, I will have information on it in the description box for you guys. And if you like my makeup, I did a quick Instagram reel and a TikTok, because I am on TikTok now. I'll have all that in the description box for you guys. So follow me on TikTok and Instagram at iFancyCupcakes, because I'm trying to make more content on those platforms for you guys. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys some of my current favorite beauty items, heavy on the skincare. In 2021, around August, I started going hard with my skincare, because before that, I didn't even have a skincare routine. I would just wash my face with Cetaphil and then put on moisturizer. But I'm getting older. I'm gonna be 32 this year, and I was like, I want my skin to look good without makeup, or with with and without makeup. I want my skin to be its best. But I'm not like crazy obsessed about like the condition of my skin though, because when I was growing up, I had very bad acne and dark spots and stuff. So having a bump or two here and there is not a big deal for me. So I am happy with the progression of my skin without makeup. It looks really good and it's like glowy. I do have a morning skincare routine and a night skincare routine as well, and I do it pretty often, and it's been working out for me. So I have tried a lot of different products from since August, and I want to share with you guys the ones that I really have been enjoying. I did a skincare haul in like October, November, but I didn't do another one like the next month and come back to you guys, because with skincare it's a little bit different. Your body has to get adjusted to the different products. I can't just try a product today and then give you a review on it tomorrow. My skin has to live with it a little bit more. So this has been, a lot of these products I have been using since August, so it's been about 5 or 6 months. They're the ones that I reach for all the time. And during this process, I am trying other products as well. So I'll be featuring other products on my channel, you know, going forward in the future months, because I'm testing them out right now. So I have a very long list in my planner here. So I have been a part of Amazon's beauty program since August, around that time, and I've been able to try out a lot of different skincare and makeup products, but also a lot of these products I bought myself too. So it's a mix. So a lot of these products you can find on Amazon. Be sure to follow me on my Amazon storefront and shop my different categories. I have makeup, wigs, clothing, everything on there, so definitely check it out. So let's get into the skincare first, because it's the biggest category. Amazon actually sent me a huge like PR box with different skincare items and beauty items, and I did a quick unboxing on my TikTok and my Instagram, and I have started to use a lot of the products, but some of them I won't be able to tell you guys right away how they perform. Like I told you guys, what I have on today as my primer is the NYX the Marshmallow Primer, and I've heard people talk about this, and I'll insert like a better, closer picture of it. First of all, I like the packaging because it's pink, but it's not about the packaging, but I'm big on packaging, especially if it's going to be on display. I like it to be pretty. So the feel of this product does feel kind of like marshmallowy, like very like fluffy, and I have that on as my primer today, and I don't have any issues with it. It's my second day using this primer, and I'll just continue to use it over the next month or so and see if it's going to be a favorite or not, because I usually use the Hydro Grip primer from Milk, and that's been my ride or die. That's the only one I really used, but I know e.l.f. has one, a version of it which is obviously going to be cheaper because it's a drugstore brand. And I hear a lot of people say it's just as good as the Milk Hydro Grip. Let me know if you guys want me to try that out, because I would like to try that out. So so far I've used the Marshmallow Primer. I've used the Marvis Whitening toothpaste for the last like 4 or 5 days. I don't know if it's like a placebo or something, but I feel like my teeth are whiter when I use that toothpaste. But again, I need to use that for longer than just like 5 days. But me and Adrian, we both use it, and I felt like my teeth looked whiter after using it, honestly, like the first time. But I gotta test it out a little bit longer. And the items that I featured in that Instagram reel and TikTok, and you'll see like the images, you'll see the different products kind of flashing on the screen. I'll have like a link to where you guys can shop those items if you are interested in them. I have been using the Mario Badescu Gentle Foaming Cleanser. I didn't even know they had a skincare line. I'm used to Mario Badescu's facial spray. I've been using this for years, but I didn't know they had a whole skincare line. So I have been using that gentle cleanser, and I do have sensitive skin and it's been fine on my face. I have used the Neutrogena Makeup Removing Melting Balm, and I'm excited about that one because I have the Elemis Melting Balm, and that's like $45, but I also have the e.l.f. Melting Balm, which is more affordable at like $10 to $12. And I feel like the Neutrogena one is like a happy medium, because the e.l.f. one, it has the consistency of coconut oil. You know how that is a little bit chunkier and harder? The Elemis one is very like gelatinous and stuff, but this one, the Neutrogena one, is kind of in the middle of both of those. And I've used that once so far, and I'll use it tonight because I'm wearing makeup. I now love using melting balms to like pre-cleanse my face before I actually go in with a facial wash or a cleanser. So yeah, that's all I've used so far, but they did send me like some Redken shampoo, conditioner, and some leave-in conditioner. And I usually don't get excited about shampoos and conditioners and stuff because my channel is mainly like wigs and stuff. But in 2022, I am taking better care of my natural hair because I neglect it a lot under my wigs, and I'm going to get it cut, like a big cut on my hair, so I can kind of start over and make sure I'm taking care of my hair. And I had no idea, but Cassie, that girl, when I posted that TikTok, when I posted the Instagram reel, she said those Redken products are a dupe for the Olaplex line, which is very popular and known for being really good and being like top of the line when it comes to you know, shampoos and conditioners and taking care of your hair and stuff. So I'm excited to, you know, incorporate that into my hair care routine. So I'll keep you guys updated on my hair. You guys probably won't see it for another like 1.5 years or so, but I'm documenting the process of getting my natural hair back together. So okay, so I just realized we're already like deep in the video, and I'm still not on my skincare stuff. So here are some of my favorite skincare items. I'll have everything listed in the description box for you guys. So one of my favorite toners is the Glow Recipe toner, and this is the one that smells like watermelon. This is my second bottle. The owners of this company, they were on Shark Tank, and that's one of my favorite shows. But the stuff is good. I heard about Glow Recipe way before, you know, I knew they were going to be on Shark Tank. So first of all, the bottle is pretty. It's pink. So I have a skincare cabinet where I like to display all my stuff, and it's beautiful, nice bottle. It smells amazing, and I just feel like it actually works on my skin. Okay, another toner that I really like is the Bliss Clear Genius Clarifying Toner and Serum. And I think it's great that this is both a toner and a serum. In like your skincare process, you do your toner and then you put your serum on, but this is, you know, 2-in-1. The feel of the product is like a thicker gel. It has one of those press down pumps and the product comes out, and I'm on my second one of those as well, and I picked that one up from Target, but if I can find it on Amazon, I'll put it down below. Those are the two toners that I have purchased twice. I do have some other ones in rotation right now, but those are the ones that I have already like gone through so far. I really, as far as cleansers go, I really like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Cleansing Gel. So that's one I have gone through probably like 3 or 4 bottles of that. I like my skincare stuff to be more on like the water gel side and stuff instead of like creamy. I've just noticed that's what I like, and that's something I like about the Hydro Boost line. It just feels very hydrating, because I feel like as I've gotten older, my skin is drier, so I do need like more hydrating skincare items, and that's one that is drugstore and it's affordable and stuff, so I do like that one a lot. I also like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost moisturizers. I like the Hydro Boost moisturizer for the same reasons I like the cleanser. The jelly kind of water gel consistency, and it feels so cool on my skin. And I don't even have like a skincare fridge. I really want one, but I really don't have space for it. But it feels so cool on my skin, especially when it's like irritated. It's nice to have something that's like cooler on your skin. I wanted to mention this because I've seriously been using this since I was in college, and that was like 12 years ago at this point, which is the Cortisone 10 Eczema Extensive Healing Lotion. So I noticed that a lot of like the hydrocortisone creams, they tend to be in those tubes, and they don't really spread well. But I like that the Cortisone 10 lotion is an actual lotion, so you can put it on bigger areas, because I do have eczema not just, you know, on one place. Sometimes I'll get it like on my ankles, definitely on my hands because I wash my hands so much, and sometimes I'll get it like under my nose. So I do like that it's a lotion, and I honestly feel like it's the only eczema lotion that works for me. I've tried Aveeno has an eczema lotion. I don't feel like it works well. I feel like it's a little bit too mild. Really recommend that if you do have eczema. Okay, here is another moisturizer that is in that kind of water gel family. It's the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream, and I went through that really fast too. I don't know if they give you that much product. That's probably why I went through it so fast, but it's definitely like a water gel. It's very similar to the Hydro Boost as far as the consistency goes, and it has that nice cooling effect, and it makes your skin feel very hydrated as well. But the Neutrogena one is going to be more on the affordable side. And I really enjoyed the Burt's Bees eye makeup remover pads. So I have on eyeshadow today. I don't have on lashes, but I have on eyeshadow today. And at the end of the day, when I'm wearing lashes, I really do like the eye makeup remover pads, because you just rub that off. Because sometimes when you're doing your melting balm, you don't want to put the melting balm on your eyes. You just want to focus that on like your actual face, and don't get it anywhere near your eyes. So I use the makeup remover pads for my eyes, and then I go on to the rest of my face with my cleansing balm. And I just ran out of that, and that's something I need to repurchase, because I feel like that's absolutely necessary if you wear eye makeup. In the wintertime, you know, we're ashy and our lips get dry and stuff, so we have to make sure we are, you know, hydrating our lips. But my lips were getting like cracked and stuff. Well, even in the summertime they get cracked sometimes, and I will get like an accumulation of dry skin. And if you're gonna wear matte lipsticks and stuff, well, even if you wear gloss, I've had like, you know, like chapped lips, and then try to put gloss on it, and you can kind of see the chappedness, you know, through your gloss. So I exfoliate my lips every few days, and I really enjoyed the Fresh Sugar Lip Polish. So it's a lip scrub, and I finally got through that. I think I got it in like 2021 or 2020 actually, and I reached for that one a lot. So it's completely gone now. Something I need to repurchase. Okay, so as far as like body products and fragrance, I'm gonna group those into like one area. And I really love the Philosophy Fresh Cream perfume. So I don't feel like it has lasting power though. Like I feel like after I do it, it's gone like in a few hours. But I did see Jackie Aina say it's a way to layer your fragrances to make them last longer. So it starts in the shower. So you start with a similar scent with your body scrub or the body wash that you use, and then you use a lotion and a similar scent family, and then you put the perfume on after that. And I thought that was really smart. So I really love the Philosophy Fresh Cream, and I want to try Warm Cashmere because I've heard Cassie talk about that, and I've heard XO Shiba talk about that as well. And I have fallen victim to the K Ollie craze. Everybody who makes like perfume content always talks about K Ollie, specifically K Ollie Vanilla 28. and I got the small kind of travel version from Sephora a couple of months ago during like one of their sales, and I loved it, and I was like, it's time to get the bigger bottle. So I got that one, and it pairs very well with the fresh cream. So I tend to put on fresh cream and then I follow it up with vanilla 28. And for body wash, I have really loved the OGX Smoothing Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash. It smells like coffee, y'all. It smells so good, and then it has those little beads in it to kind of help with, you know, exfoliating. And then I follow it up with their body cream, which is in the same scent. So I use the body scrub, then the lotion, and then my perfumes, and that's it. So I was considering doing makeup in this video, but I'm just gonna focus on skincare, body, and fragrance in this video because I feel like it's gonna get too long. But I'm gonna split this up and do hair and makeup in a separate video, and it'll be a part 2. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's gonna be, I'm gonna have to edit it a lot because I have to get used to filming again. It's been a while. So okay, so yeah, I'm gonna make a part 2, and I'm gonna include my favorite like Amazon makeup products and like hair care products that I've used so far, and keep repurchasing. You guys, if you watch my channel a lot, you'll already know, especially the hair stuff, but I didn't want this to be too long, so I just focused on skincare, body, and fragrance in this video, and we'll have a part 2 coming up very soon. I do want to do more videos like this as far as like Amazon, my favorite home decor items and clothing, because I try a lot of different stuff from Amazon. So again, if you're interested in any of these products that I featured in this video, they'll be in the description box. Be sure to follow me on my Amazon storefront, and thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Look out for part 2 of this for makeup and hair products, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.